In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete stored signatures in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you've ever saved a signature or initials for quick signing and now want to clean things up, maybe an old signature is no longer valid or you just want to start fresh, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove them. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. From the home screen, you'll typically see the Recent section. Acrobat requires a document to be opened before it shows signature options. So go ahead and open any PDF from your recents list. It doesn't have to be a form, any file will do. If you don't see something you recognize under recents, you can open a simple PDF from your device. This is just to access the Tools panel. With the document open, look to the left-hand side panel and select Fill and Sign. This is the tool that manages quick signatures and initials. Depending on your version or layout, the button might appear as an icon or as text. If it's not immediately visible, that's usually just a workspace variation. Use the search bar inside Acrobat to look for Fill and Sign and open it from there. When Fill and Sign is active, you'll see the Fill and Sign toolbar and near the top, your stored signature and initials. Acrobat often shows them as small previews you can click to place on the document. Right next to each saved signature or initials preview, there's a small X. That X is your delete control. To remove a stored signature, simply click the X beside it. Acrobat may ask you to confirm. If so, accept the prompt to finalize the deletion. Repeat the same action for any additional signatures or for your stored initials if you want those cleared as well. Keep in mind that signatures and initials are managed separately, so you may need to delete both if you're resetting everything. A few quick tips as you do this. If the X isn't clickable, make sure you're not actively placing a signature on the page. Click away from the document first so the toolbar is in its neutral state. Deleting a signature is immediate, but you can always add a new one later by returning to Fill and Sign and choosing the option to add a signature or initials. Also, these saved signatures are typically tied to the device and profile in use, so if you use Acrobat Reader on multiple devices, you may need to repeat the cleanup there as well. That's it. Open Acrobat Reader, open any PDF, go to Fill and Sign, and click the X next to the signatures you want to remove. Thanks for watching, and now your signature list should be neat, current, and ready for your next document.